Hey everyone, and welcome to Useful Tech. And in today's video, we're going to talk about top 10 best gaming computers. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for new videos. The gaming community around the world has been transformed to a new level these days, with the additional boost to this economy, with an ample amount of further consideration in producing the best possible gaming PC. The gamers engage with massive systems to display their skills and cognitive abilities. With video streaming sites such as YouTube and others, gamers have exposure to the most earning venues, and this has built up the system's requirement with the extra edge of better performance processors and system speed. Here we go to discover the top 10 best gaming computers. Also, check out the Amazon product links down in the description box. Number 10. Origin PC. If you ever think of using all the gaming platforms in your PC, then pick this beast for sure. With a processor of Intel Core i9 and 10th generation chipset, Origin PC cannot be underestimated with its performance. The graphics cards installed in this PC are NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti, which supports all high-ended games with a top-notch display. With RAM of across 64GB DDR4, this top PC has an incredible 3000 MHz speed. Thinking about if you will be installing different games, the answer with a storage of 2TB, you can install all massive games with performance never missed out. The average weight of this PC is around 6 kilograms. You can add essential or more elements and other drives. Big O's is quite spacious as you can also assemble PS4 and Xbox One inside and play the games whenever you wish to. The price of Origin PC is around $2,829, which stands it out even in the price column. Number 9. CLX Gaming PC. Looking for exceptional QHD performance? Pick this PC with all your eyes closed. With the dedicated hardware and beyond expectations sleek glass, RGB LED lights, and metal-based design, this PC is a gem of an addition and a great asset to your gaming station. Packed with Ryzen 7 2800 with additional multitasking capabilities and different graphic cards such as GeForce RTX 2070, this PC will never let you down. With storage around 1TB HDD and an additional 120GB SSD capacity, you can easily handle as many games as you can. This gaming set assures at least a 4K display and provides you great exposure to the new games. Either you're a new gamer or an old one, pick this giant for your new adventure. Number 8. HP Omen Desktop 25L. Thinking of the HP brand provides, you'll hit your mind with the sleek, metal, high-performance design. This pick is an exact inclusion of high-end gaming PC. With a processor of Intel Core i7 10th generation or 10700F, this smart-ass slick-looking tower PC has a lot to offer. With a well-loaded range of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, the RAM of 16GB provides 2666 MHz support to the heavy graphics. The storage of this PC is across 512GB and can be added with an extra 1TB and SSD memory. With a weight of around 25.26 pounds, the price of this pick is across $1,500. Number 7. MSI Trident 3. If you are, by any chance, looking to enjoy the gaming experience by enjoying gameplay from your couch, pick this excellent gaming PC. With easy sync to all the gaming consoles, this PC will provide a gaming experience with all the elements of the quality display and the proper gaming setup. With Core i5 10400F and graphics of GTX 16000, this beast can provide you the incredibly display of 1080p and 1440p gameplay. You can also quantify your gaming experience by lifting it to a 4K display. Wish to explore the virtual world? It's a VR-ready system, so connect your VR glasses and get ready for the thrill. The storage capacity of this machine is around 512GB, and the weight is across 6.99 pounds. The price of the MSI Trident is around $1,500 as well. Number 6. Corsair One i164. A big issue for gamers is to make space for this system. The PC is the only element that makes more heavy space than any other accessory. Conclusion, this one is an excellent pick for all looking for a smaller but high-quality system, with an excellent presentation of course. With Intel Core i9 9900K, Corsair One provides outstanding performance with a high-end response rate. Its lightweight and well-distributed capacity makes it unique for all the gaming users, with 2TB storage and additional 1TB SSD added on. Your gameplay will never stop. The graphics card installed in this system is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. With a RAM of 32GB, the cost of this asset is around $3,000. Keep watching the video till the end to get to know which is the best gaming PC of them all. Number 5. Cyberpower PC Gamer. Looking for the value of each buck you spend? This one is an excellent system with quality backed by the brand. Cyberpower Centurion Gaming PC is a great competitor to all the different gaming PC on the market. The significant element about this PC is its performance and compatibility, which has probably beaten or helped others. Unlike the before ones, this PC is a look extraordinary with its outlook and design. With graphics of GTX 1600 or 6GB and RAM of across 8GB DDR4, this massive king has all that a great gaming setup requires. You can run all the best games of new generations on this PC without any lag due to Core i5 9400 94,000F backed by the storage of 1TB and 128 additional SSD. The price of the PC is around $1,200. Number 4. Dell 65 Gaming Desktop. Another budgeted system that shows an excellent performance with its all elements of high-performance specs with cost-effective price. This pick is an affordable PC with a configuration of Core i3, 10 series and GPU of GTX 1650. This machine is a super fit for any gaming expedition. With storage of across 129 SSD and 1TB HDD, the gaming is backed by the massive support space required by the next generation games. This PC is suitable for gamers and those who wish to stream their games online to enhance their audience. It costs around $1,200 and has all elements of best performing affordable PCs. Number 3. HP Omen Obelisk. With this machine's price tag being over $900, this asset has all to expose you for a great gaming experience. With a top-notch design, this system has all that it takes to be the best system worldwide. With Core i5 and i9, the system is backed with high-performance 8th and 9th generation PCs. With GTX 1060 to RT 2080, this PC will provide you a range of high-performance PCs with affordability. With storage up to 1TB and 3TB HDD, this sleek machine is a graphic powerhouse with a supporting system for impeccable performance. Number 2. Alienware Aurora R10. With a starting price of $1,500, this beast has all to impress the gamers like you. With a crazy and steely outlook and alienated design, this PC does not require any introduction for sure. With high-quality graphics backed by the GTX 1650, this gaming machine has impressed everyone worldwide with its performance. It has a liquid-cooled technology for the GPU systems. This machine never lags in any case. With Core i7, the gaming compatibility is improved gradually with its performance. With storage of 2TB SSD and 2TB HDD, the gaming experience is backed by the spacious storage. This gaming series is quite expensive though, as the additional elements will cost you extra. Number 1. Asus ROG GA15. If you've thought that we forgot to add Asus on our list, you're wrong then. Here is the latest finest pick of this video dedicated to a high-performance competitive machine with an outstanding design and performance balance. With AMD Ryzen 5 3600X to 7 of 3700X, the machine provides high-performance gaming experience with top-notch graphic quality, backed by GTC 1650 to RTX 2080. With a RAM of around 8 to 32GB with DDR4, this machine's storage is ranged from 512GB to 2TB, which provides value to its high-performance machine. This machine has been super popular and successful in engaging more gamers towards it. The cost is around $1,400 to $1,800. Which is the best gaming computers from this list from your point of view? Let us know in the comment box below. This is all for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also don't forget to share your experience with us in the comment box.